Hey everybody, today we are looking at a special rarer engine, the Big City engine, a Railway Series only character who had a short run. The Big City engine appeared in the story Gordon Goes Foreign. See him there? He's an LMS Patriot class engine. He's got unique bogies. He's one with a pair of small wheels, you know, the normal size wheels, and a pair of big wheels, and another with two pairs of big wheels. His big wheels have the balance weights actually detailed on them. I'm not sure if Flying Scotsman's big wheels do, but they're there on him. He of course always had a plastic smoke box, which was alright because it let him have his signature smoke deflectors. He's got a Belpaire firebox and BCE on his tender, though a number or LMS would have been a bit more accurate. Still, not too bad. I would recommend getting him if you can. It was a cool story, and he is, in my opinion, essential to remix of it. Plus, he's just a neat looking engine, and look very classy at the head of an express train. Thank you for watching.